Aluminum speaker grille and matching knobs/buttons complement the Harmony's minimalistic silhouette. Vinyl wrap with stitch detailing and angled feet add to the modern appeal for a variety of decors. Built-in Bluetooth receiver allows you to stream your music wirelessly to the Harmony's full-range speaker. FM radio with stylish analog tuning. Auxiliary input. Power source type, corded electric. Top reviews from the United States. Good sound, accurate tuning, looks very nice and reasonably priced. Very happy with this purchase. Replaced an old boombox for better aesthetics and was surprised by the rich sounds. Obsessed, it's beautiful, has a little bit of muffled retro sound the louder it goes, which I don't mind. Wouldn't use for a party but great for a personal workspace.